All right, here's your next exercise. We're going to build a tiny version of Project AENEAS.
Sounds exciting. What's the first step?
First, pick one short endoscopic video. 3 to 5 minutes is plenty. Use a free tool, FFmpeg or any online converter, to grab one frame every second. Put those images in a folder called Frames.
1 frame a second. So if my clip is 4 minutes, that's about 240 pictures?
Exactly. Now, choose 5 easy-to-spot landmarks that appear along the surgical route. For a nose-to-pituitary case, you might mark the nasal septum, the sphenoid sinus opening, the carotid bulge, the sella floor, and the tumor.
Only 5? I thought AENEAS used 16.
We'll keep it simple. Master 5 first, you can add more later.
How do I mark them?
Use a web-based labeling tool, CV8 or Label Studio. Load your pictures, draw a rectangle around a landmark whenever you see it, and skip it when you don't. Aim for 100 to 200 labeled images. Then export the labels and keep the file safe.
Do I need to label every frame?
No, quality matters more than quantity. Even 10 labeled frames per landmark is a solid start.
Okay, I've labeled them. What's next?
Train a small detection model with Ultralytics YOLO V8. Point it to your labeled data, press Train, and let it run, about an hour on a decent laptop GPU.
What if I don't have a GPU?
Start with the tiniest model. It runs slowly on a normal computer. Or borrow a lab machine overnight.
After training, how do I test it?
Play the original video and run the detect command. You should see colored boxes pop up over each landmark in real time. Watch when each box appears and disappears. That sequence is your surgical journey.
And the progress bar you mentioned?
Take a sheet of paper, mark 0% at the nostril and 100% at the tumor. Note roughly where each landmark shows up. Septum at 0, sphenoid at 25, carotid at 50, sella floor at 75, tumor at 100. That's your manual progress bar. If you know a little Python, you can code it so it fills automatically as boxes appear.
What exactly do I hand in?
3 things. A 30-second clip showing your model drawing boxes on the live video, a snapshot or scan of your progress bar with those percentages, a 1-page reflection. What worked well and what should we try next?
Got it. Any tips if the model keeps missing a landmark?
Yes, collect the frames where it fails, label those, and retrain overnight. Each week, fix its weakest spots. That loop is how accuracy improves.
Thanks. I'll start grabbing frames tonight.
Excellent. Small steps, quick feedback, steady progress. That's the spirit. Let's see your first results in a week.